All right, fellow XRP holder, how you doing? This is a sell alert video. I've got some breaking news here for you, breaking XRP news, as well as just general crypto news to cover for you. So we've got some stuff going on with XRP. This is nothing to be alarmed about per se. It's just that we've had a sell alert fire, and I need to tell you exactly kind of what's going on and why we've had a sell alert fire. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. If you're new to me, please do two things. Consider like this video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing here on YouTube is free, by the way. It just means you follow my content. And if you're watching this on X, give me a follow if you like what I'm doing for you. I have two goals: keep you informed, help you make more money with crypto. And I'm going to show you how you can make even more money with crypto in this video as well. So let's do this thing. Okay, so right now the overall crypto market is down 1.7%. Not a huge shock. Here in the United States, we have Memorial Day weekend. Any type of usually a national holiday, we tend to get a dip. We've also got on top of that or underneath that, if however you want to think about that, we've got President Trump, who has levied or is going to levy a 50% tariff on products coming out of the EU, the European Union. That starts June 1. So we got a little bit of volatility there. So yeah, so we got some unrest going on. XRP right now is trading down 2.7% on the 1 day. It's trading down 6% on the 7 day. So let's take a look at the sell alert that I was telling you about. So that sell alert is right here. You can see it came in. Now, I'm going to give you a couple of reasons of why we're seeing the sell alert happens. Okay, so I want to point out that let me give you a timeline here. From here to here, you can see in this blue box, that's 175 days. It started back on approximately the 3rd of December, and you can see the trend. You can see that XRP started consolidating. It started trading within a very tight range. And that range is approximately about $2 to that $2.60 range. And you can see that it has been rejected quite a few times at that $2.57 to $2.60 range. Yes, it has broken out a few times and broken above all the way to what we know, that $3.33 range. But you can see for the most part, that resistance level that we are completely stuck in and underneath is that $2.57-ish 60-cent range. And we have bounced back from that just recently, back on the 13th of May, which was approximately 12 days ago. You can see it right here where my mouse is. I'll highlight that right there. There's where we bounced back there. Okay. And now we've got a sell alert coming in right here. That's a sell alert momentum down. Now that is my trading indicator, X1 Algo, that gave that sell alert. Why is it giving a sell alert? Because the data, the trading data underneath every single one of these candles has pointed to the fact that, hey, the momentum is turning and we're moving back down, obviously heading down. And you can see again, right? We're heading down. We're in that $2.28 range. Okay. So the technical analysis, the TA data, the analytic data underneath the trading indicator has fired and said, hey, it is time to sell. Now, this is on a short-term sell. Does this mean you need to go sell all of your XRP? Hell no, that's not what I'm saying. I am a long-term holder of XRP. I've bought it. I'm holding, I have a bag that I'm holding for years and years and years. But if you're doing any type, I needed you to be aware that the analytic data is saying that we're turning down. So we could be heading down to that $2 range, which would represent, again, a buy opportunity, right? When we do bounce off and we get a buy alert, like right here. See right here, we got a buy alert. Let me delete that for you. We had a buy alert here in that $2 range. You can see it right there. Now, again, but because XRP is consolidating, you can see we've had a lot of these buy and sell firing off of the data because we're trading in that tight range. You can see also it looks like this, like from here to here in 45 days, XRP went up about 400%, right? That was a buy alert to a sell alert, and this was after Trump got elected. And so we had major market shift momentum coming in, and the software perfectly timed, the right time to buy and sell. So if you're interested, by the way, you can use this software for yourself. There's a link in the description if you want to try it out. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. You really get to try the software for 30 days. If you don't like it, you get a complete refund. There's a discount code down there as well that makes the software cost even cheaper than what you see on the screen. The quarterly option is the best, cheapest, and it's $1.15 a day is what it costs you with that discount code. Okay, so we have a sell alert being issued. if you're a long-term holder, this is not something you need to worry about. I'm not telling you to go sell your XRP. I am not. This is more if you're like doing kind of swing trading. You're trading on maybe, like for example, like from say here to here in 45 days, that was a 28% move up. See, so you could use the software right there to buy on that dip when the software says buy on that buy alert rather, and then sell 45 days later, and you made 28%. 28% is good money. That's fantastic return on your investment. $1,000 bought and then sold would have made you $281 in profit in about 45 days, just to use that as an example. Okay. So again, a sell alert being issued, we could be seeing some downward momentum moving us towards that $2 range. Again, we've got summer coming up. I think we're going to see some pullback because of that potentially. We've got Trump with the European Union tariffs. We've got a lack of liquidity in the market, so it's easier to move the price of some of these assets like XRP. Again, there's not as much liquidity as there usually is. There's hundreds of billions of dollars of liquidity sitting in stablecoin actually on the sidelines. And we're down 1.8% in the overall market. Bitcoin coming back off of its all-time high of $111,970, moving back down a little bit there as well. So right now the bears are in charge just a little bit, and it's not too concerning to me. I'm just kind of letting you guys know that we've had again that sell alert being issued in case you're doing any type of a short-term trading or whatever it may be. But I really also wanted you to know about the sell alert so that you kind of knew that that's where the momentum and the trend seems to be going, at least for the short term right here, right now. Okay. So before I let you go, there's a link in the description below. Go give it a look to go and check out BTCC, 10% bonus on first time deposit. So if you deposit $1,000, they're going to give you $100 extra on top of that. As well as bonuses up to $10,000 per year. They've got a lot of good stuff going. BTCC has been around for 13 plus years. I have moved a lot of my trading over here. They have leverage, they have futures, they have spot, they have everything you need. No VPN, no KYC necessary. Look, hit that link down there if you want to check it out because it's free for you to create an account. And then if you do that first time deposit, you got that 10% bonus. So it's really a great platform. Been around for 13 plus years. So give them a look as well. So again, I think we're going to be here for a little bit, kind of moving in this consolidating market as we have been since the 2nd and 3rd of December. I think we're going to see this kind of trend continue for XRP. So you can take advantage of kind of short-term stuff. If you want to take advantage of more, other cryptos, this is Bitcoin gave a buy alert here. 44 days later, we're up 29%. Pepe, buy alert here. 17 days later, 74% up. Onyx coin, this is Onyx coin right here. Look right here, like a buy alert and a sell alert to here, 700% up. A sell alert, don't take a 75% loss. Another buy alert here, up 100+%. Ethereum, buy alert here. No sell alert yet, up about 60%. Look at this hyper liquid. This one's been on fire recently. A buy alert here, 46 days, 212%. So you can see how this can help you. Oh, and by the way, you can use it for stocks as well. This is Netflix. This is Tesla, and you can see the software firing for all of these stocks as well. So give it a look, try it out. You got that 30 days. You got zero risk in this, and I'll be back with more. All right, we'll see you.